It's been raining now for several hours. This is one of the roadways. This place is completely flooded out. As you can see, somebody has lost their car in the ditch there. This place is entirely flooded. There's people trapped in there. They can't get out because of the rainwater. This is approaching the flood of 2008 status pretty darn quick, actually. Yes, I'm stupid and I'm out driving in it. I wanted to get out and see for myself what was going on. My wife had been out in it earlier, told me, but I'm a man and I need to see for myself. This is at the intersection of Commerce Parkway and Arvin Road. Second pass of this building. I'm going to try and get up here somewhere where I can stop, because there's still a lot of people out driving for some strange reason. This ditch here is completely flooded, which is what did these guys in. You need to get over. There's the car that is in the ditch. Gotta be kind of careful because I'm gonna get splashed here by these cars passing by. Time to put the window up while they come by.